Jai Jagat everyone. In today's training session, we'll be talking about how to use Google Classroom on your mobile phone. So basically how you should log in with your official educational account and what all things you should keep in mind while using Google Classroom. So as you can all see, this is my interface of my mobile phone and I will already installed Google Classroom application on my phone. So I'll just click once. So I've this application is open and I've logged in with my personal Gmail account. So let's say as a student you have received an invitation code from your teacher to join a classroom, and you forgot to log in with your official email ID and you try to enter that code. So what you do, you click on the plus icon on the top right side and click on join class and enter that code here as I am doing and click on join. Let's see what message is coming. So it gives an error message that class code not found. So don't need to panic. What you need to do is on the top left hand side there are three bars. Click there, the drop down menu in the top side, and second option, add another account. Just click there. Here you will log in with your official CMS elearning.org account which your teacher has given. So just enter the details here. I'll be logging from my official account here. So likewise you type in the password. I'll pause the, then simply click next button and click I agree. So depending upon your internet speed, Google will take time. So mine is working fine, so it's so fast. So since I was using this account to demonstrate few of the teachers and students how to use Google Classroom, so 3 classes are already there. So as a student, for your case it will be coming as blank for the first time. So let's see, when you try to log in and join that classroom through the code which the teacher has given, just click plus icon and join class and type the code here and click join. Let's see what happens. So automatically you are joined in that class. So all the posts which are visible there have been posted by your teacher. It's there. Okay, all the posts will be here, all your classworks will be here, and all the students who have joined will be here. So second question which comes in your mind, that let's say you have joined 2 classes, 3 classes, to how to swap between those classes using the same email ID. So likewise I have already shown you that I have already joined to the 3 classes, and since this is the 4th class, so how it will show to me, I'll simply click on that 3 bars on the top left hand side and click on classes. So these are all available classes for me. I'll click here, so you can access these classes. And now next question, how assignment looks for the student. So this assignment was posted by class 8A teacher, that is a dummy class which we have created, and simply student will click on assignment. So it's already been turned in. Okay, let's see what was the assignment. So addition, question 1, 55 plus 20, student have replied as 75, and second question also student has replied as 72. Okay, so it has already been submitted. So a few of the student might face this error, that it's showing an error message while you are opening Google Classroom on your mobile phone, that access is denied, please contact your domain administrator. So in that case, what you can do is make sure your phone has a password or a pin or a pattern lock. And talking about your mobile phone, it should have that as a security policy. Google has enabled it. So if your phone doesn't have this one, so this error might comes. So again, just making sure your phone has a valid pin, password or pattern lock. What you need to do is click manage account on your device. Simply remove your official account. Removing account doesn't mean that you are deleting your account. You are simply making sure that you are signing out from your mobile phone, and click again add account. Enter your details again, enter the password, click agree. So most probably your issue will get resolved. Still, if you are facing issue, you can directly contact us. Okay, thank you. We'll be coming up with many more such videos. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.